So here you can see that I have an InCopy document. So let me just type in some sentences right here. Like I'm going to say this is a sentence just like this. This is a sentence, and let me just copy and paste this out. So let me also have a title. So I'm just going to go around and say that this is, let's say for example, this is a big title. So I'm just going to keep that around just like that and increase this in size. So I'm just going to increase out the text size just like that. Let's say around 30 or around 48. So there's a hyphenation going on there, which I don't want. So I'm just going to go around onto my paragraph settings, and then I'm going to go to hyphenation and remove out the hyphenation. But wait a minute, what happened? I removed out the hyphenation, but the entire text actually just disappeared. So what is happening here? So what is happening is that the text is so large that it cannot actually fit it onto this place. So what do you do is go on into story mode, and here is where you see this. So what is happening is that the sentences is fine, so it's 12 point, but this one is 48 point. That is why it is not being able to be displayed right here. So what you may want to do is add in a space in between, go back to layout view. So what happens is that the words are divided, and now you can see both of them. So now I can simply select this out, bring that down the text size just like this, and let's see how that looks like. So if I bring down the text size, I know that around 35 is okay if I want it as the same word. And this is how you can manage out text flow errors inside of InCopy. So that is how you work with it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.